Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with David and Alice. We're so happy you're here today for another English speaking and listening practice.
Hi, everyone. Today we have a very fun and practical lesson. We'll practice everyday English through conversations at home, shopping, and going out.
That's right. You'll see real-life situations where English learners often feel nervous and need simple phrases to communicate.
Let's start with the home scene. Lily is cooking, and Mike is looking for his phone.
Lily, have you seen my phone?
I am cooking right now. Why are you asking me?
Because I cannot find it anywhere. You always lose your things.
I checked the bedroom and living room.
Then check your brain, too.
Very funny.
I'm serious. I really need it.
Maybe I left it here in the kitchen?
This is a kitchen, not your phone shop. Please help me.
I am cutting vegetables, can't you see?
I can see, but I need my phone, and I need peace.
Why are you angry today?
Because you always disturb me while I cook. One question becomes 10 questions.
I am not doing anything wrong.
Really? Yesterday you forgot your wallet.
That was only one time.
No, that was one of many times.
Okay, don't get angry.
Then stop asking me every second.
Maybe my phone is on the table.
Then go and look there.
I already checked.
Then check again.
Why are you talking like this?
Because I'm busy.
You don't have to be rude.
And you don't have to lose your phone every week.
I only need a little help.
Fine, I will search alone.
Good idea. Wait, maybe I left it in the car.
Then go to the car. It is too hot outside. You are not helping me at all.
I am helping this food, not you.
Wow, that hurts. I don't have time for drama.
Actually, I wanted to ask something else.
What now?
Maybe we can go shopping today?
Shopping? Really?
Yes, you said you wanted new dresses.
Really? You remember that?
Of course, I listened to you.
Oh my God, you're so sweet. We can go after lunch.
That sounds nice. I will be ready.
So, are you still angry?
Maybe a little, but now I'm happy.
That changed quickly. Shopping changes everything.
Now you're smiling.
Because you finally said something useful. Can you help me find my phone now?
Wait, is that your phone in your pocket?
Oh no.
Yes, it is. You made me angry for nothing.
But now you're happy, only because of shopping? Lily, what are you making for breakfast today?
I want to make something special.
Special? That sounds interesting.
Yes, I feel like cooking a nice meal today.
What about lunch?
I'm planning lunch, too.
Wow, you're working very hard.
I just want everything to taste good.
Can I help you in the kitchen?
That is kind, but you can relax.
Are you sure?
Yes, I can manage. You can cut vegetables for me.
Thank you.
But I already finished most of it. Maybe you can wash the dishes?
No, you should rest. I don't want you to do everything alone.
It's okay. I enjoy cooking.
You are being very sweet today.
Maybe because I'm in a good mood. So what am I making?
Your favorite breakfast.
Really?
Yes, and your favorite lunch, too.
That sounds amazing. Just give me 30 minutes.
30 minutes? That's fast.
I know what I'm doing.
Good. Now go and sit down.
You are giving me orders again.
Only because I care.
Okay, I will relax.
That is better. I will go to the living room then.
Wait a second. Take this coffee.
This is for me?
Yes, drink it while you relax.
Thank you, Lily.
You're welcome. You were very caring today.
Maybe I like seeing you happy.
Then I am very happy right now.
Good. Now let me finish cooking. I will wait patiently. No more questions for 10 minutes. Deal?
Deal.
This coffee smells really good. Lily always makes the best coffee. I should relax for a few minutes.
Oh, someone is calling me.
Hello?
Hi, Mike. This is Maya.
Hi, Maya. How are you?
I'm good. Is Lily nearby?
Yes, she's in the kitchen. I tried calling her many times.
Really?
Yes, she was busy cooking. Can you please give the phone to her?
Sure. Wait a moment.
Thank you. Lily, your friend Maya is calling.
Maya?
Yes, she said you weren't answering your phone.
Oh no, I forgot to check.
She wanted to talk to you.
Really?
Give me the phone.
Here, take it.
Thank you. She sounds like she really wants to talk. Maybe something important happened.
Talk to her. I will wait here.
Hello, Maya.
Hi, sorry I was cooking.
I guessed that. Why did you call me?
I wanted to tell you something.
Tell me.
It's a surprise.
Now I'm curious. This breakfast smells amazing.
I'm happy you like it. You worked very hard this morning.
Thank you for making my favorite breakfast.
You're welcome. It tastes really good.
I enjoy it. So why did Maya call you?
She's coming to our home today.
Really?
Yes, she has an important meeting in the city. She may stay 2 or 3 days.
That will be fun. We should welcome her properly.
Yes, we can prepare the guest room and cook something special for dinner.
Maya will feel comfortable here.
She always enjoys staying with us.
We can also take her around the city and maybe give her a small gift before she leaves.
Yes, something meaningful she'll remember.
Perfect. Let's finish breakfast first and then plan for Maya's arrival.
Great idea.